Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create your account on Pionex. First of all, we are here on their website. It looks very nice, but what we need to do is we click here on sign up. Then right now we can sign up with Google, but we can also sign up with email, and I recommend you to do that. So we click on email. Then right now we select right here email. So we will do our main email address right there. Then we need to create a password. So what we're gonna do is we are creating one, and then we click now on sign up. Now they send a verification code to our email address. So we go to our email address and then copy paste it with Ctrl+C or right mouse click and copy, paste it right there, and then we do confirm. Then we do save, and then right now sign up successfully. So now we successfully signed up. If you click now on Pionex, or let's say we want to do something. So let's say we want to go to a primary account. Now we are here in the dashboard, and this is how you can create your account on Pionex. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.